So with inflation and interest rates rising across the country, some economists are predicting a potential economic recession this year. So as sneakerheads, we know we can sometimes spend over $1,000 just a month on sneakers. So should we be concerned that a potential recession could affect our lifestyle? According to a Business of Fashion report, the growth of global sneaker sales fell in 2022, signaling a market downturn. The high growth phase, which resulted in a huge spike in 2021, looks to have ended. So is it just me, or does it feel like the sneaker game just ain't the same no more? Does it feel like something's missing? I mean, we lost Virgil, RIP, Ye got canceled, Travis Scott had to slow things down, and Jerry Lorenzo, he just been missing. We're still waiting on those Adidas Fear of God joints. But as a sneakerhead, does it feel like the game just isn't the same anymore? Or are we just tired of buying new colorways of the Jordan 1 every year and in need of some new innovation? So Adidas and Nike, two of the biggest brands in the industry, are currently facing oversupply inventory issues and declining sales in China. So there's already reports out there that a bunch of different Jordan retro models have been sitting on shelves in China, but even over here in the States, if it's not a Jordan 4 or OG Jordan 1 colorway or a hyped up collaboration, 9 times out of 10, these pairs will also be sitting on shelves. And we don't even gotta get into the whole Adidas Kanye situation. We already know that breakup caused huge financial hardship for Adidas. So Nike is currently sitting on $9.3 billion worth of stock, and Adidas holding on to $6.7 billion in inventory at the end of the quarter. So of course, New Balance has been on the rise. They have been absolutely killing it. But you also got smaller performance brands that are really sparking a lot of interest among sneakerheads. So you got companies like ASICS, you got Merrell, Salomon. All of these brands have been garnering a lot of attention from sneakerheads, definitely looking for an alternative, from the traditional offerings that we're used to from companies like Adidas and Nike. And on top of that, people's fashion sense has also changed. You got Instagram, you got a lot of trends that come and go. Some people are adapting a more sophisticated dress code. So you got a rise in, pairs like derbies. You got people rocking loafers more. You got people rocking slip-on footwear like mules, for example, the Birkenstock Boston. And you got people rocking a lot more boots as of lately as well. So here's a graph which better helps represent the data. So as y'all see from this chart, in 2021, after a national pandemic, we saw the biggest rapid growth in sneaker sales in recent years. But then as y'all see in 2022, we started to see these sales slowly decline over the years. So with a possible economic recession right upon us, it's definitely gonna affect the sneaker market. And with retail prices for shoes rising, we gotta be a little bit smarter as buyers. We don't have to buy every single colorway. We don't have to buy every single sneaker release. Now, as far as resellers go, reselling is dead. If it ain't a hyped up collab, if it's not an OG Jordan 1 or Jordan 4, there's really no money to be made. So y'all gotta just give up the resale game and let's get back to the essence of sneakers. So in 2023, let's try not to be sneaker hoarders. Let's not try to let all these big boxes pile up behind us, and let's try to sell off some of those old pairs that we ain't really rocking as much anymore. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys feel like sneakers just ain't the same anymore? Do you feel like a market crash is upon us, or is the sneaker game just simply dead? Let me know what y'all think. Salute to everyone for tuning in. I'm J.A. Make sure y'all stay safe, stay blessed. I'm out, y'all. Love.